Hello all, let us see how to solve this problem. So basically what is given here is a ROM is used to implement a squarer. Squarer is nothing but if you take x, the x square of it will be determined. So now that x is nothing but a 4-bit number. So the question asked is what is the size of the ROM that is required to implement this. So if you see the basic implementation of this, there is a ROM, okay, and then what it is doing is basically it is squaring a 4-bit number. So that means it has to store the 4-bit number and also store the square of it. Like example, if you see 4-bit number maximum is 1111, it starts from 000 and goes till 1111. So that means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, which is 8, 4, 12, 15, right? So the maximum number that can be saved is 15, and then what it is doing basically is it is also it has to output the square of this number. So 15 square is nothing but 225. So 225, if you do in binary, it can be represented using 8 numbers, 4 and then 4, because for 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 square is 4, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, and then 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. So total 8 bits will be used, which can be used to generate the required number. Okay, so now here basically what we need is we have to determine the size of the ROM. So the simple thing is that initially it has to say the ROM has to save the 4-bit number and also its square. So that means basically it should, example, if you take 0 from here, it should save from 0 till the maximum number 225, right? And the requirement is that because it has 8 bit, each number is 8 bit, so the memory should save around 8 bits, correct? So 8 bits, and if it goes till 226 225 locations, you'll get the maximum number that can be achieved. So here basically it is 256, right? Because 111, we have a much lesser number than this, so 256 will be somewhere here. So that's where you'll get the 8-bit. Now because each memory can store 8-bit because of this requirement, so the data bus definitely should be 8, and because 0 to 255 is 8-bit, that means 2 power 8 memory locations are there. The address bus width will also be cross 8. So that means the answer here should be 8 address lines and 8 data lines. It should be a 8 cross 8 configuration. Now there is one way you can think of this also, but again this should be the correct answer. But if you, some people might say 4 address lines and 8 data lines are the ones where it can save, because in that case, if you take a scenario where this ROM is saving 8 bits, example, okay, and then you are not saving this 4-bit number, and you are all assume that you are only saving the square of this number. So that means 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So that means for every 4-bit number there will be a 4-bit square number. So let us assume we are saving this. In this scenario, each location should definitely store 8-bit, because the square of 15 square is 225, so that is required. So the data bus width definitely will be cross 8, but the number of locations would be 15, 0 to 15, that means a total of 16 addresses, which is 2 power 4 instead of 8 locations which were required. So you can think of this way as well, which gives a 4 cross 8 configuration, where the assumption is that it saves only the square number and not the actual number, but in reality you should have this 4-bit number saved and the square of that number should also be saved. That means the memory should range from 0 to 255. So 8 address lines and 8 address lines and 8 data lines is the correct answer for this. Thank you.